Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to add your department in the Asana app. But before that, don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment down below, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy. So without further ado, let's just jump right into it. First you have to open up the Asana app, and here it opens up in the home menu where we have our projects, portfolios and goals. From here we just have to tap on account in the bottom right corner. Then in the top right corner there's a little circle. We tap on that. This is our account. We can tap on view profile now. Then again in the top right corner there's a little pencil. We tap on this and then we can go into the editing phase. And here we just tap on add your department, and we can type in what kind of department we work in inside the company. So that's pretty much it for this video. Hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.